Reading and reading comprehension. Bird Park. Hello, come back again with me. I am Miss Ditha Aulia, and today, as usual, I will teach you online, and the lessons are from Meeting 2. They are reading and reading comprehension. First of all, let us take your worksheet and we are going to read the difficult words. 1. Bird, burung. 1. Bird, burung. 2. Park, taman. 3. Come, datang. 4. From, dari. 5. Part, bagian. 6. World, dunia. 7. Such as, seperti. 8. North, utara. 9. South, selatan. 10. Flamingo, burung flamingo, or it called bangau. Eagle, burung elang. 12. Macaw, burung makau. 13. Peacock, burung merak. 14. Penguin, penguin. 15. Others, lainnya. 16. Different, berbeda. 17. Size, ukuran. 18. Worker, pekerja. 19. Feed, memberi makan. 20. Twice, dua kali. 21. Also, juga. 22. Watch, menonton. 23. Show, pertunjukan. 24. Perform, tampil. 25. Attract, memikat. 26. Famous, terkenal. 27. Country, negara. That's all the difficult words. I hope you can read and practice at your home so you can pronounce them clearly and correctly. And next, we are going to study your reading book, so take it out. But first, I'm going to ask you, what is bird park? Bird park is a place where we can see many kinds of birds. Jadi taman burung itu adalah sebuah tempat di mana kita bisa melihat banyak jenis dari berbagai burung-burung. And Indonesia, kalau di Indonesia there is Bali Bird Park. Ada taman burung yang ada di Bali. And it is great. And I have never, Miss juga belum pernah ke sana. If we have some money, let's go. We can go. So the text is like this. We are going to read together. So everyone listen to me carefully. I hope you practice this text after I read, explained at your home. Passage 17, Bird Park. This is a big bird park in Singapore. The birds in the park come from many parts of the world, such as North America, South America, and Asia. The birds in the park are flamingo, eagle, macaw, peacock, penguin, and others. They are different in size. The workers feed the birds twice a day. People like to see them feed the birds. They also like to watch the shows performed by the birds. There is a special place to keep penguins which attract many people. This bird park is famous in Asian countries. Let me repeat again. Slower, lebih lambat. Passage 17, Bird Park. This is a big bird park in Singapore. The birds in the park come from many parts of the world, such as North America, South America, and Asia. The birds in the park are flamingo, eagle, macaw, peacock, penguin, and others. They are different in size. The workers feed the birds twice a day. People like to see them feed the birds. They also like to watch the shows performed by the birds. There is a special place to keep penguins which attract many people. This bird park is famous in Asian countries. So from the text we can see the 27 difficult words. Seperti yang kalian lihat nih, di teks ini terdapat 27 kata sulit yang sudah kita baca tadi. For example is bird, burung, park, taman. So if you have remembered or memorized the difficult words, we can translate them together. It's going to be like this. Taman burung. Ini adalah sebuah taman burung yang besar di Singapura. Burung-burung di taman tersebut datang dari banyak bagian yang ada di dunia seperti Amerika Utara, Amerika Selatan, dan Asia. Burung-burung di taman tersebut adalah burung flamingo, burung elang, burung makau, burung merak, penguin, dan lain sebagainya. Mereka berbeda-beda ukuran. Para pekerja memberi makan burung-burung tersebut 2 kali sehari. Orang-orang suka melihat mereka memberi makan burung-burung itu. Mereka juga suka menonton pertunjukan yang ditampilkan oleh burung-burung. Ada tempat spesial untuk menjaga penguin-penguin yang memikat banyak orang. Taman burung ini terkenal di negara-negara Asia. So, from this, what I want you to do is writing the meanings on your reading book. Kalian perlu menuliskan arti ini, as you can see, yang seperti kalian bisa lihat, on your reading book. Di buku reading kalian, which is talk about bird park, yang teks bird park. Tulis artinya, write the meaning. I hope you will write. So next we go to the questions. They are very easy. So for example, I'm going to translate the questions first. Answer the following questions. Jawablah pertanyaan-pertanyaan berikut. Number 1. Where is the bird park? Di manakah taman burung tersebut berada? The bird park blanks. Taman burung ... Where is it? Di mana? There is in the text. Ada di teks. Number 2. State 3 kinds of birds in the bird park. Nyatakan 3 jenis burung yang ada di taman burung. For example, penguin, bisa aja penguin, or macaw, or peacock. You can write 3 of them. Boleh tulis 3. It's up to you. Terserah mau yang mana. You like peacock, you can write peacock. Number 3. How many times do the workers feed the birds? Berapa kali para pekerja memberi makan burung-burung? We have read the text and you will find if you read them. Kalian bisa jawab ketika kalian sudah membaca dan memahami teksnya. So the workers, how many times? Berapa kali dia mengasih makan burung. So number 4, where do the birds come from? Dari mana burung tersebut datang? Ya, there are so many ya. Ada banyak bagian dari dunia burung-burung ini datang. So mention them, tulis dari mana aja. And number 5 is, what do people like to see? Apa yang orang-orang suka lihat? This is clearly on the text. Juga ini sangat jelas berada di teksnya. Jawabannya itu berada di teksnya itu juga sangat jelas. So you can fill them correctly, and please take a picture of them and send it to me so I can check is it true or not. Okay? Next is, I'm going to give you number 1 as example. So we can see from the text here, there is a bird park in Singapore. So the bird park is in Singapore. Number 1, the answer is in Singapore. Is it right? Next is additional. You have to find the antonym and state a statement with true or false of this word. So there are 2 kinds of questions. Number 1, 2, and 3. You have to find the antonym, harus cari lawan katanya. And you can find them on the text. Kalian juga bisa ketemu lawan kata tersebut di dalam teksnya. And number 4 and 5, you have to state the statement with true or false based on the text. Kalian harus menyatakan kalimat ini benar atau salah berdasarkan teks yang ada. So I give you number 1. Look at small. Number 1 is the antonym of small. Small is kecil. And if you can see the text, kalau lihat di teks, small, kecil, the antonym is big, besar. In the text, kalian bisa jumpa di teksnya. So, small, the antonym is big. Next, for number 4, the bird park is famous in Asian countries. Is this true or false? Ini benar atau salah? So you have to translate first. Taman burung itu terkenal di negara-negara Asia. So look at the text, lihat lagi teksnya. Is that true or false? Benar atau salah? From the last sentences of the text, this bird park is famous in Asian countries. There is in the text, and it is true. Karena di teksnya juga begitu. Taman burung terkenal di negara Asia. So you can write true in the bracket or only T. So that's all. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can find me on my WhatsApp. Goodbye.